A very good morning to you, my dear students, and welcome to the class of concept. Today we are going to learn about sink and float. Children, let's solve a worksheet concept sink and float. What is the meaning of sink? Sink means anything or any object which doesn't remain on the surface of the water. It goes inside under the water, that is called sink. What is the meaning of float? Float is nothing else but the things or the objects which you can see on the surface of the water. For some examples, children, if you put a thermocol or if you throw a thermocol in the water, do you think the thermocol will sink or float? Yes, the thermocol will float. It is light in weight. It is not heavy. So, here are some objects given on the paper. You need to draw water under the things that you think will float when you put in water. For example, this is a steel pipe. As you know, steel pipe is heavy, a metal. And yes, metal will float. Metal will not float when you put in water. In fact, metal will sink. Next, you have a boat. Have you seen the boat in the water? Yes, boat floats in the water, isn't it? So you need to draw water under the things that you think will float when you put in water. Or you can even tell your parents to make a small paper boat and then you put the paper boat in the water and see what happens. Will the paper boat float or will it sink? Yes, definitely. At the beginning, when you put the paper boat in the water, it will float. But after some time, when it gets wet, it will definitely sink. This is a plastic bottle. Plastic bottle is very light. Yes, it will float. In the plastic bottle, nothing is there. It's empty. So, the plastic bottle will float. You have to draw water. Pencil. Yes, pencil is heavy. You cannot float pencil in water. Definitely pencil will sink. This is a plastic ball. Plastic ball is very light at weight. So it will float. This is a marble. Have you seen marbles, children? This is a marble. Marble is heavy. So definitely marble will sink in the water. This is a dry leaf. And as you know, dry leaf is very light at weight. So children, even the dry leaf will float in the water. So the concept is clear. Children, you can try some of the things at home. Throw marble in the water and see if it floats or if it sinks. Okay? Thank you, children.